Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today I'm going to show you how I determine my stain color. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
If you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping me in the videos are my sons Tristan and Hunter. So I'm working on a stair project. Go figure, another stair project. That's all we do lately. So I'm working on another stair project, and we are trying to achieve a color that is giving us a hard time. We're trying to match a piece of furniture. Sound familiar? Been down this road before. And sometimes when you're trying to match a piece of furniture and using a different species of wood, it's going to take to the stain differently. Also, a lot of times with furniture, it's more of a paint sometimes they put on. It's an artificial look. So that's the case, and that's what we're having a problem with today. So let's go take a look at the colors. We have a lot of them that we have given them to sample, and I'll show you the challenge, what we're trying to match, and what we're working with. But without any further ado, let's go in and take a look. This is the piece of furniture. Oh yeah. Welcome to my world. Wow, we have stains all over the place. You know, we originally started with one or two colors and then they didn't like it, so we've expanded. So this is going to be how I get my clients to choose the colors that we're using on our stain for our stairs or whatever else we're staining. This is the method I use to get that color picked out the right way, so there's no confusion and there's no redos. So this is how we do it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are staining the actual same material that you're going to be staining for the project. So you don't want to make your samples on pine if you're going to be using oak. But I take the little cans, the small $4 cans, $5 cans, and I'll buy those. I have them, so I don't have to buy them, but what I would suggest doing is buying a bunch of little cans. If you don't have them already, the colors you think you're going to like, put them on the same kind of material. In our case, if you're doing stairs, the back of the tread works great. From there, once we narrowed it down, I let my customer pick. We fine-tuned it. This was the progression here. We had this one here. Once my client saw it, I like to get a feel for what they like and what they don't like. Said it was too thick. You couldn't see enough of the actual wood. This was a gel stain, so it goes on thick. It's almost like a paint. And you can see it gets a little, not blotchy, but just thicker. You don't see as much of the natural grain. So from there, and she loved that color. So what I did was I cut it down with some mineral spirits. I thinned it, and this was our progression, our next sample. As you can see, it is a lot more transparent, but still a little bit thicker. She liked this part of it, so then we went even less. Again, this is getting a feel for what your client liked. We realized this was too dark, still a little blotchy, so we cut it down even more. And this is, believe it or not, this stain, this is gel stain, mahogany gel, cut down with some mineral spirits, and this was almost progression, so we got to our final one, and that's the final progression. This is mahogany gel stain, cut 20% mineral spirits with a high gloss finish. Not semi, but gloss. And that is how I pick my colors with my customers. It's foolproof. It's on the actual material. It's on the actual tread now. We have the finish on. This tread could be installed just the way it is. Ghetto bird flying over. Well, so as this year nears to an end, we've grown quite a bit. We started the year out at just under a couple thousand subscribers, and now we're almost to 5. We appreciate all the viewers. We appreciate your likes, your subscriptions. Keep it up. As we want to make these videos better and get better at the videos, cost of equipment and making these videos increase. So I put a link in the description below. Any little bit helps. If you just want to buy the guys lunch, that's great. Any little bit helps, we appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite, product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. Run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content, and thanks for watching.